We'll guide you through how to download and install Forge in Minecraft 1.21.7. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Forge allows you to go and run mods as it's a mod loader, so we'll guide you through the steps. To get started, quit Minecraft and up a web browser of your choice. To get started, we can go and get some mods which we can then go and use with Forge. Go to a site called CurseForge, and you want to come to curseforge.com, select Minecraft, select browse order at the top, and we can then go and scroll down, set the game version to 1.21.7 and set the mod loader to Forge. I could go and get journey map here, for example. I'll click on it, and we can then press files at the top. What we need to do is make sure we get it for 1.21.7 and for Forge. We can see that it's here. Press the three dots to the right and press download file. We've now gone and downloaded it. Now we need to go and get Forge. So what you can do is go and search for Forge like so. You may need to add in Minecraft to get to the precise site and go to files.minecraftforge.net. Next, go to the left here and we can go and select 1.21.7. It should be by default. And what you can then do is go and press installer like this. You're going to be taken to an ad wall here. Just be aware if your download button is for the ad. To go and start the download for Forge, you need to wait for the skip button to appear in the top right and you can click on it and it'll then go and download like so. You can then go and get more mods for 1.21.7. In this case, I'm just getting the one though. Before we start the install process, a big thank you to the sponsors of this video, Apex Hosting. They're my go-to place for a Minecraft server, so if you're in need of one, check out the link down below in the pinned comment and the description. At the moment, you can get 35% off your first invoice as well. If we scroll down, you can start checking out some of their great features like one-click install mod packs, DDoS protection, 24/7 servers and support, ultra latency, instant setup, a free subdomain, and so much more. So if you're interested, I'll put a link down below. A big thanks to them for sponsoring this video. Open up our file explorer and come to our downloads. Here you should go and find Forge, and what we need to do is install it. So you go and double click on it like so, and then you'll get this pop-up. Go and select install client and then press OK. Now, if you find that this doesn't open up or something else does, then this is likely because you don't have Java installed. So what you need to do is come back to your web browser and you can head to java.com just here. Press download Java for desktops and there's another download button. After you downloaded it, go and install it. Return to Forge and right click on it. Hover over open with and you want to select choose another app. Here you can then select Java and go and press always like so. Then this will go and open up. You want to go and select install client like so, and you can go and press OK and it should run through. If this still doesn't, you may need to do something called a jar fix, and that links jar and jar files together again. Anyways, after you've installed Forge, you want to go and open up the Minecraft launcher, so we can press search at the bottom and type it in. Go to the top and you can press installations. Now you can go and scroll down and you need to go and find Forge just here. Go to the right and press open installations folder. Here you can go and scroll down and you need to go and find the mods folder. Here it is, come into it. What you need to do is go and open up your file explorer. We'll come to our downloads here, and then what we can do is go and add in the mod. If you only had one, that's fine. If you've got multiple, then add them in. And if you don't have a mods folder, just go and create it. We can then close out of the file explorers here, hover over Forge and press play to the right. We're now in Minecraft, and if we press mods, we can go and see the mod here. I got journey map, which is basically a map, as you can see.